Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're talking leather watch bands for your Apple Watch, Series 3 or 4. Let's check it out. Now today guys, we're going to take a look at a product from OLPR, and they are a leather manufacturing company. So they create a variety of leather products. We're going to take a look at their website, and then we're going to also talk about specifically how you can accessorize your Apple Watch with a new leather watch band. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
So let's first take a look at OLPR's website so you can see all the leather products that they have available. So in addition to the Apple Watch bands, as you can see here, they have leather goods for aprons, they have different type of bags, they have backpacks, a variety of solutions if you're looking or are into leather goods. But today we're going to take a look at their watch band. Now the first step is to take a look at the watch bands. And then after we take a look at the watch band, we're going to install it on our Apple Series 4 Apple Watch. So taking a look at the watch band here, the first thing that you'll notice is really high quality leather. Notice all the stitching. Stitching is really nice and clean. And we'll flip this over so you can see the inside. Once again, very nice and clean stitching. Nothing loose when it comes to the strands coming out, right? And then you have the standard Apple buckle, and it's been keyed to the Apple Watch that I have. Now we'll take a look at the other side. So this is the other part of the band, and once again you can see the treatment. I really like almost kind of the weathered look of the band, so you can see how that looks right there. And then you'll notice that the buckle also matches, and as we flip this over you can see once again just the overall craftsmanship is pretty solid on this band. Now another thing that I'll point out as we take a look at the band is how thick the material is. So you notice how thick the leather is, and once again you'll notice the finish that's going on all around it. Now for those of you who are not familiar with switching bands on your Apple Watch, what I wanted to do is just show you how that's done. So here I have my Apple Watch, and you'll notice that I have a couple buttons here. Well, these little buttons, once you press them down like this, and I'm going to press it and show you, really allows you to release your Apple band, as simple as that. And I'm going to do the same thing for this side, press and hold, and then I'm going to slide it out. Now once that's out, now I can switch the band. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this band, and literally all you're going to do is just slide it in like this, and it's going to lock into place just like that. And then I'm going to take the other one that we just looked at, and I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to make sure that I have the right side facing in the right direction. So we'll go ahead and put that in place. And I think I may have gotten this one backwards. So we'll go ahead and flip this again and put it in place. Yeah, that feels better. All right. So now this is what the watch looks like with this band. Pretty sharp. It really transforms. So I see a lot of folks still using the standard watch band that they received when they purchased the Apple Watch. And I can understand that because the Apple Watch is, it's an expensive item. But you can really upgrade your watch, make it look more like a dressy watch than you do when you have just the standard band, which could be that rubberized band. You can notice here I have a Gear Galaxy watch, and you always see me with different bands. This is not the standard band that came with the product. I always like switching things up, and I also like switching bands up. So I have a series of bands, not just because I do the reviews, but I also have purchased them because I like dressing things up. So now here's the Apple Watch, and let's take a look at what it's going to look like now with this new band. So this is what it looks like. So really, really sharp looking. Changes the way the actual watch looks, and then it also dresses things up. So I do have sporty bands. So I have like silicone bands, and then I have some leather bands, and I switched them up because again, depending on what I'm wearing, I like just switching things up so it looks a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is just put this in place. This is a brand new band, so it has to be kind of broken in a little bit. But let's put this here on camera so you can see what that looks like. So this is what it looks like. Look how nice that looks. So once again, it really takes the Apple Watch from being a sport digital, I'll just call it like, kind of like a geek watch, and then transforms it to a more upscale dressy watch. What are your thoughts about this band? Let me know in the comment area below. I'll include a link to the product in the comment area as well if you want to pick up one of these bands or any other product from OLPR. Thanks for watching.